Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set up AOL Mail signature. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and go ahead and search for AOL Mail. Go ahead and click on the first link right over here and make sure that you're logged in. Now go ahead and click on Mail just like that, and it's going to take you to this page, which is taking a bit to load up. So as you can see, once you're on this page, all you need to do is click on this setting tab right over here on the right hand side of your screen, or you can also go ahead and click on, let me just go ahead and show you. So you can simply go ahead and click on this setting tab on the right hand side and click on more setting, and now on the appearance you can simply scroll all the way down until you go ahead and find writing mails right over here. Once you've clicked on writing mail email, all you need to do is spot this signature tab right over here and go ahead and turn it on. Now you can simply go ahead and add your signature right over here. So it's just gonna say, so for example, there you go, that could be my signature for now, and whatever mail I write, this is gonna be on the bottom. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.